Hello, my name is Andres Baca, and my lesson is geared toward teaching first graders vocabulary, finding the meaning of new vocabulary words, and also to teach them to distinguish letters from words. I'm operating from the core curriculum standard ELA KV1. My objective is so that the students will be able to learn strategies for understanding new words and learn how to determine the meaning of an unknown word. Also to help the students tell the difference between letters and words. To teach them, I will use an online interactive audio and visual tutorial called Building Meaning. It uses both visuals and audio to help the students learn. For my own examples, I will write them on the dry erase board. I will first open the building material tutorial, making sure both the audio and the visuals are on so the students can learn. If necessary, I will call technical support before class starts to help me make sure the sound and the visuals are working. Then I will call attention to the class and say, attention, everyone please get ready to look at the screen because we're going to do an activity together. Then we're going to split up into two groups. Then we're going to have an individual assignment. I will check and get back to you, handing your paper with a sticker if you did a good job. I will teach them that letters are parts of words, and words are combinations of letters which mean specific persons, places, or things. I will show them the letters TCA as an example, and I will say letters are parts which make up words. TC and A are letters. Cat is a word which we can break up into parts called letters. Then I will go through the lesson on screen. I will let the lesson play, making sure the audio is on so the students can hear the computer teaching the kids the same thing I just taught them. Once we're in the practice one section, I will ask that the class split into two groups. Both groups have to give me 3 examples of letters and 3 examples of words and say them out to me. Once they have said this, I will ask them which of them wants to answer which on the practice one screen, which is the screen where it has the actual activity, are letters and which are words, and I will put them into boxes. And if they are right, we will move on. If not, I will provide more examples so that they all can learn and catch on. For the individual assignment, I will write the following instructions on the board. I will tell the students to pull out a piece of paper and write down 2 letters and 2 words and label them as letters or words. Next is the reading by context section. I will read the following sentence to them. The ant crawled under the desk carrying the food that had fallen on the floor. I will ask them, what does under mean? Under means below the desk. And how do we know what under means? Look at the clues in the sentence. The ant crawled under the desk carrying the food that had fallen on the floor. If the food has fallen on the floor, we know that the ant, if the food has fallen on the floor, we know that the ant is below the desk, and therefore we know that under means below. For the individual assignment, I will give them the following quiz and pick it up in 5 minutes for standard students, but give extra time for special education students, and I will save the quiz so the teacher can see it the next day. On the quiz, I have the following: on distinguishing letters from words and finding meaning. Select each of the following and put them into the following category: letters or words. Pen and cup. Are these letters or words? Please circle 1. LCNPE. Are these letters or words? Please circle 1. And finding meaning, the beans grew into a tall beanstalk. What does grew mean? And how do you know what it means based on the context? And that's basically my presentation. Thank you very much, everybody.